Okay, O'Brien Army, so I'm going to show you something a little unusual. So, this toilet plunged itself. So, it got clogged, and I flushed it a couple times, and I noticed the water in the bowl was going down and then up and down and up and down and up, like I was trying to do something. After a couple more times flushing it, all of a sudden it's not clogged anymore. All the water went down into the drain, and now it's fixed. There's something unusual. Looks like we had a ghost plumber in the house. Well, there's something you don't see every day. And as I always tell you, don't use toilet paper. Use the spray heads instead. They're much more efficient. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, click the bell notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.